Are you looking for the top 5 best laptops for music production? If you're searching for the best laptops for music production, it likely means you're tired of logging software and want to unleash your creativity without frustration. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, HP 14 laptop. The HP 14 laptop caught my attention with its sleek design and ultra portability, priced at just $188. If you want a budget-friendly option that's easy to carry around for music production, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this HP laptop could be a solution for you. It features an Intel Celeron N4020 processor, which is perfect for basic tasks. The 4GB RAM and 64GB storage might sound limited, but for light music production and running basic DAWs, this can handle it. Plus, with 4K graphics, you can create and edit high-resolution visual content to accompany your tracks. That's a huge plus if you're also into multimedia projects. It's also incredibly light at just 3.2 pounds, so you can take it anywhere to jam out or record ideas. But here's the thing. Some users have mentioned that the storage can feel cramped, especially if you plan on saving lots of samples or projects. However, if you're just starting out, investing in external storage can easily solve this. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to produce music on a budget. Skip this one if you need high-end specifications or plan on using heavy software regularly. The value for money is solid, especially for casual use.
Product number 2, Lenovo IdeaPad 3i. Next up is the Lenovo IdeaPad 3i Chromebook, priced at $209.02, and I was impressed by its sleek design and solid performance ratings. If you need a reliable machine for music production on the go, this is worth considering. This laptop features an Intel Celeron N4500 processor coupled with 8GB of RAM, which allows for smooth multitasking while running your DAW and plugins. The 15.6-inch FHD display provides vibrant visuals, which is great when you're fine-tuning your audio tracks or looking at waveforms. With 64GB of eMMC storage, you can comfortably save your projects without feeling too limited. Plus, the battery life of up to 10 hours means you can work on your music all day without worrying about finding an outlet. Some users have pointed out that the eMMC storage can be slow compared to SSDs, but honestly, for the price, it's a minor trade-off. This is perfect for music producers who need a portable yet powerful option. Skip this one if you're planning to work with large sample libraries that require more robust storage. The value here is fantastic for your entry into music production.
Product number 3, HP Chromebook 14. Coming in at $194.99, the HP Chromebook 14 also offers a solid set of features. I found the design appealing, especially for anyone needing a reliable laptop for music production. If you want something lightweight and efficient for music tasks, this is definitely worth a look. This Chromebook is powered by an Intel Celeron N4120 processor and features 4GB of RAM, which can handle basic music production tasks without breaking a sweat. The 14-inch HD display is sharp for editing, and the onboard Intel UHD graphics helps with video playback if you're into making music videos. With 64GB of flash storage, you also get decent space for your projects. The standout feature is the impressive 14-hour battery life, so you can produce music anywhere without the stress of charging often. However, some users mentioned the performance might lag with more demanding applications, which might frustrate you if you work with complex software. But if you're using it for light tasks, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for students or beginners who need a reliable laptop for music production. Skip this one if you anticipate needing higher specs for complex projects. The cost is very reasonable for what you get. Product number 4, Acer Aspire Go 15. Next, we have the Acer Aspire Go 15, priced at $289.47, and it really impressed me with its powerful specs. If you need a laptop that can handle your music production needs efficiently, this one might be a great fit. Thanks to the Intel Core 3 N355 processor and 8GB of DDR5 RAM, you get smooth performance even when multitasking with your audio software and other applications. The 15.6-inch FHD display delivers clear visuals for editing your tracks, and the 128GB UFS storage means you have ample space for your projects and samples. One feature I found interesting is the integrated AI copilot, which can help streamline your workflow.
However, some users did find the weight to be a bit cumbersome for travel, which can affect portability if you're always on the move. Still, the performance makes it worth considering for your studio setup. This is perfect for music producers looking for a powerful laptop that can handle a bit more. Skip this one if you need something extremely lightweight for traveling. It's a solid investment for its price.
Product number 5, Acer Nitro V. Finally, let's talk about the Acer Nitro V gaming laptop, which comes in at $999.99. This one caught my attention because of its high-end specs that can really support heavy music production tasks. If you want top-notch performance, this is worth checking out. With the Intel Core i7-13628H processor and 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, this laptop is built for multitasking and can handle demanding software with ease. The 15.6-inch FHD display with a 165Hz refresh rate minimizes lag, making it great for tracking and mixing music. The whopping 1TB SSD provides incredible storage space, so you can keep all your projects and samples without worrying about running out of space. However, the price tag is steep, and some might find it overkill for casual use, especially if you're just starting out. But if you're serious about music production and need a powerhouse, this is a worthy investment. This is perfect for professional music producers or serious hobbyists who need high performance. Skip this one if you're only doing light tasks and want to keep costs down. The performance justifies the high price for serious users.
So let's quickly recap. The HP 14 laptop is a great budget-friendly option. The Lenovo IdeaPad 3i offers solid performance, the HP Chromebook 14 is reliable for students, the Acer Aspire Go 15 packs a punch in power, and the Acer Nitro V is a powerhouse for serious producers. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Acer Nitro V because it simply offers unmatched performance for music production. On the flip side, I'd avoid the HP 14 laptop if you're looking for something with more storage and power. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.